this is one of my favorite cars because I had a lot involved in it. You know.
Did you build this car?
No, I had a lot of. No, I had a car built it.
Okay.
Campbell Auto Restoration.
Yeah.
But I was there like every step of the way.
But it was built for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a 72 CUDA, and I was born in 72. I sold my 72 C10 to my buddy, or to Chris, and then I was like, well, you know what, I'm just going to build me a CUDA. I've always wanted a 72 CUDA because of the tail lights.
72 is a good year, man. I was born in 73, and there's not really anything good in 73. So I'm like,
Monte Carlo.
Monte Carlo's a good year. That's about it. Yeah.
So Jason, we're here and we're really at your collection, but I know you have some special things arranged in regards to, we're standing in front of a Mr. Norm's car, but tell us a little bit what you have plans for here in the coming future.
Just out the area outside Nashville, I bought some land. We haven't started yet, but we're in the plans to make the first subterranean museum showing Mr. Norm's history and how valuable his history was in the car manufacturing and dealership in the scene when these cars were hot. And I just want to, share it with everybody because a lot of people don't know his story. And so I figured, he's just one of my favorite builders. So
that's awesome. Very cool. So you're going to see a lot of these cars and some of the Mr. Norm stuff, but that starts here soon. They're actually hoping to break ground soon, so stay tuned for that.
that's something I might have to get in line for do the interior, for you to do the interior.
I'll get it on camera for you, Gil.
Yeah, put me in line right now.
In line right now.
Yeah. and it was built. That paint job is probably over 25 years old. And then he bought it, blacked it out, and then put airbags on it and finished it all up the way he wanted the interior. And so, yeah, I hated to get rid of it, but I know he'd have it for the rest. He'd be around me at least.
Well, we wanted to thank Jason here real quick for just giving us a tour of the shop. What an amazing experience. And how can people check out the shop? And we're going to find out your Instagram. We'll tag his Instagram below, but anything about the shop and more what's coming up in the future for you guys?
Well, I'm building my exotic garage on my property as well, splitting up the old cars and new cars, and we were talking earlier about the museum I'm putting together. It's / underground subterranean museum and a dealership with all man cave stuff that you just can't find anywhere else.
And that's going to be in Columbia, Tennessee.
Columbia, Tennessee, yeah.
Starting soon. We're going to tag Jason. We'll put his Facebook, his Instagram. Stay tuned for a website and more from Jason's shop. But again, Jason, thank you so much for the opportunity to come experience it.
Oh, if I didn't show it to somebody, might as well just get art put it in my house, right?
That's right.